Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best acrylic paint pens for artists and crafters that are available on the market for their true quality. These pens are perfect for a variety of projects, from rock painting to canvas art, and we're going to break down their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is right for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Cougar 30 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Markers. If you're looking for a compact and versatile set that works on a wide variety of surfaces, this is a solid option. The dual-tip design gives you a 0.5 to 5 mm brush tip for broader strokes and a 1 mm fine tip for intricate details. This versatility makes it a great choice for everything from calligraphy to rock painting. The 30 vibrant colors in this set are water-based and flow smoothly without clogging or flooding, which is a big plus for beginners and kids. The pens perform well on surfaces like wood, ceramic, fabric, and even plastic, making them a great multi-purpose tool for all kinds of DIY projects. However, the smaller color selection compared to other sets in this list may limit your creative options if you're working on larger, more colorful projects. While the Cougar markers offer great performance and ease of use, the build quality feels a bit more lightweight compared to some of the higher-ranked products. This makes them less durable for heavy-duty crafting. The set is ideal for casual crafters or those just starting out with acrylic markers. Pros of this set include its affordability and vibrant colors, but the smaller range and less sturdy design keep it at number 5 on our list. At number 4, we have the Posca PXP-C3 M16A acrylic paint marker set from Uniball. This set is a favorite among professional artists for good reason. The 16 vibrant, opaque, and matte colors provide excellent coverage on over 50 surfaces, including wood, glass, metal, plastic, and ceramic. The fine 0.9 mm to 1.3 mm bullet-shaped nibs allow for precise detailing, making these markers perfect for intricate designs. One of the standout features of the Posca markers is their water-based, non-toxic ink. It's ACMI certified, making it safe to use for all ages. The ink is also light-fast, meaning your artwork will retain its vibrancy over time. However, the set includes fewer colors compared to others on this list, which might limit your creative freedom. The build quality is top-notch, with durable nibs that maintain their shape even after extensive use. While the Posca markers excel in quality and performance, their price point tends to be higher, which may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. These markers are best suited for professionals or serious hobbyists who value precision and longevity in their tools. Pros include their premium quality and versatility, but the smaller color range and higher price keep them at number 4. Taking the number 3 spot is the Betem 48 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Pens. This set is a great middle ground for those seeking a balance between versatility and affordability. The dual-tip design features a 1 to 5 mm round nib and a 1 mm fine nib, making it suitable for both detailed work and larger areas. The upgrade cotton nibs are a unique feature, eliminating the need to press or shake the markers before use. The set includes 48 bright and vibrant colors that work well on a wide range of surfaces, including paper, wood, metal, and ceramics. The water-based ink is opaque, odorless, and acid-free, ensuring a smooth and consistent application. However, while the ink dries quickly, it's worth noting that the cotton nibs may wear out faster with heavy use. Overall, the Betem markers are an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and casual artists. They're versatile, easy to use, and come at a competitive price point. The main drawback is the durability of the nibs, which might not hold up for long-term or professional use. Still, with their vibrant color range and user-friendly design, they earn their place at number 3. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Tanmit 48 Colors Acrylic Paint Pens. This set stands out for its innovative design and features that cater to both beginners and professionals. The dual-tip design includes a 1 mm fine tip for detailed work and a 0.5 to 5 mm broad tip for larger strokes, giving you maximum flexibility without the hassle of changing nibs. The 48 vibrant colors are rich and highly pigmented, and each pen is color-coded for easy identification. Unlike traditional acrylic markers, these don't require shaking or pressing before use, which makes them incredibly convenient. The water-based ink is washable, non-toxic, and provides excellent coverage on various surfaces, including canvas, wood, ceramic, and glass. The portable bag design is another thoughtful touch, making organization and transport a breeze. The Tan markers are a fantastic choice for both amateurs and seasoned artists. Their innovative features and high-quality ink set them apart, though they come at a slightly higher price point. Pros include their ease of use, vibrant color range, and premium design, while the only con is their higher cost compared to some competitors. For anyone serious about their craft, these markers are worth the investment. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Posca 72 Colors Acrylic Paint Markers. This set is the ultimate choice for artists and crafters who want the widest range of colors and versatility. The dual-tip design features an extra fine tip for intricate details and a brush tip for bold, expressive strokes, making these markers perfect for a variety of projects. What truly sets the Posca markers apart is their impressive 72 color selection. The vibrant, fade-resistant ink provides excellent coverage and dries quickly, ensuring that your artwork stays bright and smudge-free. The precision-engineered tips deliver consistent ink flow, giving your creations a professional finish. Plus, the set comes in a portable canvas case, which is both functional and stylish. The Posca markers are a dream for anyone looking to elevate their art. The premium build quality, expansive color range, and thoughtful packaging make this set a standout choice. While they may be a bit more expensive than other options, the value they offer is unmatched. Pros include their versatility, vibrant colors, and professional-grade performance. The only con is the higher price, but for the quality and features you get, it's well worth it. These markers are perfect for anyone from hobbyists to professional artists, making them our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.